crazy moment there. It's unclear to me which player is down, but the collision with Sami Trahan didn't look great at all. Replay now on our screens.
Yep, direct. With force.
That was Blusa Tisolo as a replacement.
Cumu, the player.
My mom was really upset. She was really worried. She couldn't even sleep. Because in the village there's no network, so I have to wait for another time so that I can call home to talk to my mom, and so that she can just to hear my voice that I'm okay.
Ash, let me explain. We've had number 28 that's on the ground.
It doesn't look great, but we certainly wish her well.
Made direct contact with the head, so it will be a red card again.
It wasn't easy for me because I've been there from the start. I've been giving my all, and it was unlucky for me that I haven't been playing at semi-final and the final because of my injury.
Staff continue to show great care for Merewai Cumu, a champion of this Fijian Drua side and such a strong contributor for them this year. 299 metres she's carried in 2024. 26 years of age and always at the centre of things.
I just hate the feelings sitting from the sideline and watch the girls inside the field who started. That's what always make me do more training, work hard on training, and give my all in training so that I would make to the first lineup during the game.
The throw finds Coates. Now running onto it is Merewai. Cumu straight through! Player of the match last week for the Fijian Drua. Trying last week, she's got one.
During that Western Force game against Western Force in Lotoka, that was the first time that came and watched me in my whole rugby career. And this is what he told me. Please, every game that you play, please score a try for me. So that's another thing that I always carry with me during the game.
That makes three of us. And there's the short arm, so the Reds up to play on quickly here. Dallinger sending a bounce pass out to Young, has to head back to get it done. Look at the footwork on Helena Young. Does so well, and Nona leaves it behind though. And it's play on here for the Fijiana and Drua. And away they go. Into the backfield, out to Nakesa. Nakesa's going to go all the way. That is a counter-attacking masterclass from the Fijiana Drua.
I've been so happy because I was first, I can say, first female to in the village that represent, playing the pro level. And I'm happy for Tayoni too, for choosing rugby too. From the same village, growing up in the village wasn't easy because we all know rugby and women's in Fiji is not easy. It's not an easy thing because people talk about women's in rugby in Fiji. Yeah, I'm happy for only that. I'm happy that I have one of my cousin that came up in the same village. We grew up together and follow the same path. Yeah, I'm really happy for her, and I'm proud of her too for her performance and for the energy she always gives in the field. Well, I can say that we are proud going one.
Helps up from fullback, intercepted. Nobody at the back. And it's a clear run to the line, and don't they love it? Oh yeah. Kalini